installation video for the oh shit box. First thing to do is you're going to take out your two screws down here, the two push pins up top, and the two push pins that are inside the box. Once you remove the center console, you're going to locate your switch, your suspension selector switch, and you're going to remove the back of the switch from the switch. In the switch, this is the bottom of the switch where the clip is, there's the two top pins. The two pins below it are empty. The one to the left in the middle is empty, and the one to the right is the one we're going to use. You're going to peel back some of the sheeting on the wires to expose the wires. The middle pin is a black and yellow wire. There's another black and yellow wire at the top, but we're not going to mess with that. It's the middle one here. Going to cut that wire, come back a little ways and cut that wire, and crimp on a male and a female end on those two cut wires. The module box has got two yellow wires, one with a male, one with a female. Those are going to connect to those two wires that you cut and crimped on, the fittings. The other two, there's a positive and a negative wire coming out of the module. The positive, they're going to go to your bus bar, which is located up here. There's three positions. There's a key position, there's a full-time position, and then there's a ground. We're going to use the key position. The red one's going to go to it, and then the last one, the black one, the ground is going to go to it. The last two wires in the control box are black and white. Those are going to go to the black and white ends on your switch. Now what I did is, with a stock steering wheel, I drilled a 5/8 hole straight through the steering wheel and run my wires all down through it. I used some of that Gorilla Glue 5-minute epoxy. I just put some around the edges of the switch, fed it through and stuck it down in there, and it's solid. It doesn't wiggle, doesn't do anything. The rest of the coil wire goes down through the steering column and right out into the center console. And there's where the black and white wires are butt connected to it. After all that's connected, we're going to hook our wire back up to the switch. Let's see if I can't. Set this here so you can see it. I'm going to hook that back up down here. The switch. And I'll reinstall the box. Once you get your screws back in, all your push back pins back in, just turn this key on. You notice we're in the soft mode. It's blue on your dash. When you press the button, it goes instantly to firm and then back to soft. Good. It's green, it's in normal mode now. Hit the button, yellow, back to firm, back to normal. Obviously, in firm, it stays in firm. The button doesn't do anything in firm. So normal, back to firm. There's a little slight delay, but there's also a slight delay when you turn the switch. It does the same thing. I did notice in testing that even in normal, when you mash the button, that the shocks seem to firm up before the light or the color on the screen changes or it goes to the other mode. It seems to have a faster effect by just hitting the button than what the screen shows. Other than that, you put your screws back in, your push pins back in, and you're all set to, good to go. I did on the package, just a little, I guess just a little something special. That on the package itself that the box comes in, the label on the front is actually a sticker. You can pull that sticker off the bag and put it somewhere on your buggy, let everybody know what you got, and share the word. Thanks for your purchase.